people all over the place.
It's a car to go.
If you can call that a car, I guess it's a car to go. I like how the passengers like hitting the roof line.
Well, it's a smart car to go.
He's pushing the car to go.
Yes. Oh, what is that smell?
I don't know, but I'm not talking. I'm not making another video on smells.
Why are we slowing down?
Because this guy's car doesn't want to go.
Oh, okay. I was just wondering because I saw a light that was green.
Seriously, dude, you don't have to brake just because.
See, I told you, I don't like stop and go traffic on a bike. I don't mind it in the car. Because at the car anyways, you're doing a certain type of following. But with the bike, I don't like it.
I don't know, I like the just nice momentum.
Yes. I mean, I like stop and go if I really need a rest, but I don't need a rest. I don't need a rest every 2 seconds.
Oh my god, really, dude?
Sad.
Like, you could have stopped 2 times over.
He still could have fit in this little triangle here.
Right here. Get off your phone.
Are they both on the phone?
Yep. And he has a signal on. I'm serious. I looked at his mirror and it was flashing off the side. Oh, I think he has his hazard lights on. Look. He's got his it's all blinking.
Okay. Look where he stopped. I don't know where he stopped. I don't know where he's going. Your hazard lights on. You don't care?
Nope.
Switch places with me.
Okay.
Let's see if I can tell him that.
Good luck.
I can do it.
Oh, I didn't say you can't.
Your hazard's on. Nope, he didn't get it. See, that's just people not paying attention whatsoever, eh?
Well, he wasn't paying attention to anything. At least the second time he wasn't on his phone.
Fair enough. A Porsche Cayenne S.
Oh my gosh, the smart car ran light again.
Yeah, I saw that. I was just about to make a comment.
Seriously, like this time he had no excuse. He had no momentum.
And this you see, they call that a smart car, right?
Uh-huh.
Doing very dumb things. Oh, you little bugger, you almost got me there too.
KawaKouple. Bike life.
Bike life.
Chica.
Chica bike life. Doop, doop, doop. You almost got me too.
Oh well. I tried. A little.
Yeah. He ran 2 red lights and he's still here. Oh my god, that's a smart car for you. That's funny. KawaKouple.
Good job.
And to all your new subscribers, this is KawaKouple right here. KawaKouple. Mwah.
He didn't look happy about something.
Who?
The guy that wanted to turn left.
Oh.
Maybe he had diarrhea.
Maybe. And really wanted to turn left. Ooh, maybe he tried that challenge that we saw on YouTube. Not the challenge, but you know.
Oh, that
sugarless gummy bears.
Yeah. That's a little... Man, I would not do that. Okay, like, I don't know. That's just weird.
Especially that many in one sitting.
Yeah, that's really weird. I mean, if you get a warning, if something gives you a warning telling you that you're gonna have like a severe amount of diarrhea,
If
No,
you
it
eat
acts
more,
like a laxative.
it acts like so. Why would you just go out of your way to give yourself a? Oh my god, I don't know.
I don't know. It's kind of gross.
Yeah, it is. Ah.
hey, nice skyline. I like the clouds
It
today.
is. Very pretty.
Just because it's cloudy doesn't mean it's not nice.
Oh no, of course not.
Actually, the temperature's pretty decent today.
Yeah, it's not as bad as when I went out for my footage for my Thursday ride. That day was really cold. What?
Nothing.
What?
YouTube knows. You don't.
What?
Nothing. Say YouTube. I was playing like I'm gonna catch you, but go ahead. I'm reaching for the star. What are you doing? Go. No, you can't stop me. La 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 la. That is my wife. That one. Not the bike. That one. The human. The human is my wife.
On the bike.
On the bike, not the bike. The bike is not my wife. Hey.
What?
Hi.
Hi.
Punch, buddy.
Bike life. No, bike,
Bike
life.
How you doing?
Am I doing? How are you?
I am doing good. A good cheese.
Gouda. Na Havati.
A formaggio.
Parmigiano.
Parmigiano oregano. Oh my god.
Make a good Italian food.
And we're clear. We're clear. We're clear. Oh, that hurt so much.
It didn't feel good, no. That was a rough patch.
Ouch. Darn it. Hey, you want to have kids? Because it's not going to be with me. Oh. Ow.
So what are you saying? If there's an accident, it's not yours?
That's true. I will come back and remind you of the day I went for a motorcycle ride and I crushed every little bitty incy wincy swimmer in the pool. Oh my god, man, I want to throw up. That's how bad I felt. Oh. Ah, shit. Okay. Well, that was painful. Oh. So to all of you who are watching, thank you for watching. For all of you
Thank you
going to
for
comment,
subscribing.
yeah, subscribers, lots of them. Thank you very much for all of you. And if you're not haven't subscribed, please do, please do. And commenting, sharing, we love you. See ya.
See ya.